Jai Shri Mataji. We have to put ajwain on the hot pan and slowly you have to smell it. The white smoke is very important, not the black one. As soon as the ajwain gets black, you have to remove it with a cloth and again take another new ajwain. It is very good for the hamsa, the agya, the cough and cold and nose infection and throat infection, and also good for the heaviness of head due to cough. So this has to be repeated 3 to 4 times before you go to sleep. So only you have to be careful with the children, but the elder people can do it nicely. ये सब आप छोटे बच्चों से बड़े बच्चों तक दे सकते हैं, लेकिन बच्चों के वक्त थोड़ा सा सावधान रह के करना पड़ेगा आपको। या रूम में सिर्फ अजवाइन की धुनी घुमा सकते हैं, सिर्फ प्लेन अजवाइन, कपूर नहीं। तो ये आपके बहुत अच्छा ट्रीटमेंट परम पूज्य श्री माता जी ने बोला है। जब भी आपको घी कपूर ज़्यादा हो जाता है सर में कभी कभार, तभी वो निकालने के लिए भी आप अजवाइन यूज़ कर सकते हैं। Whenever there is, if you put ghee camphor in the nose and you get cold, then also you can use this plain ajwain dhuni to remove the heaviness caused due to the ghee camphor treatment also. So we are very thankful to Shri Mataji. She has shown us this beautiful treatment. In this, it's also good to remove the virus, bacteria, colonies deposited in the nose, and thereby we get ill. So thank you Shri Mataji. Jai Shri Mataji.